Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're intrigued by Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, but not sure where to start, you're in the right place. You are at Invest Grow Thrive, and I'm here to guide you through your Bitcoin journey in just a few minutes. We're breaking it down into 3 simple steps, perfect for beginners like yourself. Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Get educated. All right, let's start by getting you clued in on all things Bitcoin. We're talking origins, value, and what makes it stand out from the crowd of cryptocurrencies out there. This knowledge, it's your ticket to making smart investment moves. And guess what? We've got just the thing for you. Our totally free 7-day Bitcoin crash course. Tune in to 1 video a day. And before you know it, you'll be a Bitcoin whiz, leaving your friends in awe within a week. Step 2. Dive into a transaction. All right, let's get down to business with an actual Bitcoin transaction. First off, grab yourself a user-friendly software wallet, such as Exodus, to get started. Next, dip your toes into the Bitcoin pool by purchasing a small amount to get the hang of it. Platforms like Coinbase, CEX, and CoinMama are perfect for snagging Bitcoin in bite-sized chunks. This hands-on experience will cement your newfound knowledge and provide valuable insights into the whole buying process, locating your Bitcoin address, confirming transactions, and more. It's time to dive in and experience the magic of Bitcoin firsthand. Step 3. Keep up with the crypto wave. All right, now that you're on board with Bitcoin, let's talk staying in the loop. Keeping tabs on the latest news and updates is key to mastering the crypto world. Sure, you've got our YouTube channel for top-notch content, but don't stop there. Dive into resources like Altcoin Daily for daily doses of crypto wisdom, and don't forget to join the lively discussions over on the Bitcoin subreddit. Trust us, staying connected to these communities will keep you ahead of the game and in tune with all things crypto. Let's ride this wave together. And there you have it, your blueprint for getting started with Bitcoin. For more detailed information on each step, check out the links in the video description below. Once you've completed these 3 steps, you'll feel confident about your next moves. We're excited to join you on your Bitcoin adventure, so stay tuned for more content from us. Until next time, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies.